What's up, amigos? Welcome to Ink Build Up. Today is going to be part 2 on my process of starting on my own clothing brand. And today I'm going to show you guys how I'm going about in creating custom nick labels. Now if you don't know how I do it, stay tuned. Okay, so here I have already my screen with the nick labels. I actually have 5 sizes. That has small, medium, large, extra large, and extra large. And I'm gonna show you guys how I did that on the computer. Then we'll come back to the process and continue with the printing. Okay, amigos. So I'm gonna go through this real quick. It ain't a tutorial, but here's my nick labels that I create. And very simple. You start with a new document. You go to your logo. There's my logo, edit, copy, you paste it, and for now I'm going to keep it to 2 inches, but I did actually made it smaller. Make sure that's in the middle. This, I'm going to copy it. I actually like this text. I actually use this text for the hang tags I am creating. So again, edit, copy, edit, paste. And here, just make things easy, I'm just going to create outlines. Change it to 2 inches. Next, I'm put in the middle. Grab the text. First, you start off with the materials mineral. Here, 100% cotton. Make sure all these are in the middle. Actually, can make this a bit larger. And then now for the washing instructions, I got this file right here. I got it for free online. I'll leave the link to it. And basically just look for the ones you need. And for me, all I did was I just look into the original tag those in the shirts, and I just copy those. So here, edit, copy. And this is actually pretty big. You'll see right now. That. And basically, you look for all of them. These are the ones I came up with. And I just made them smaller, adjust them. Then once I did that, I just copy and paste. And I do it to each one. I just copy and just change the size of the shirt. And you can fit all this in one film. But for me, since I was already doing some design, and some of them actually has some space, I just put them in there. That way I can save on film. And that's pretty much it. And at the end, I actually end up making these sizes. Let me see, I can't remember exactly. 1.7 inches wide and 2.2 inches high. Because I didn't want to make it too long or too long. And yeah, so you print this. They expose the screens, and that's pretty much it. So now that we have the screen ready, in my case, I like to make a new palette. Here it is, just a regular wood right here. I got this 2 pieces of wood. No, because right here it says this my palette. My press. To put pallets on here, you have to actually screw on here. Made this little small jig from off contact. That way, I can actually some off contact to my palette on the screen. But anyways, and I'm actually going to do all of them with white ink. Now I have some shirts. One is like a sky blue and the other one's kind of like a gray color. I was thinking about adding black for that, but just to make things a little lot faster, I'm going to do everything just white ink. So basically, I have a line right here on the palette, so I can know where the print's at. But just to be, make it a lot easier, I ain't gonna be using my, where is it at, the plug, my little cheap laser lines up off Amazon. Not the greatest, but it gets the job done. If you guys are interested in buying it, I'm gonna have the link in the description. Okay, just to make the things a lot easier when loading the. Okay. Got cut off there, but like I mentioned, just make loading the shirts a lot easier.
And right now I'm going to do a test print just to make sure that the ink doesn't go all the way through and get to the back. Not this one. I'm gonna use this shirt. I accidentally stained it, so I'm gonna use this one. So I'm gonna start with medium since this is a medium-sized shirt, just to make sure that actually works. Bring us closer. Okay. Tag kind of move on me. Okay, that was one pass. I guess I could get away with two. Look. But let's make sure that the back didn't go through. Oh, I have the tape. I have the glue. Okay, so this right here is because I put too much glue adhesive, but you can't really tell in the. And it looks nice. The thing about all these Aspect shirts is that these tags are, you know, easy to remove. In the back, and like I mentioned, this is the glue. Let me take out this excessive glue out before. I gotta cure it first. I forgot. Okay, so before I go over the rest of the shirts, let me remove the excessive adhesive that I have on here. Yeah, I think I got it. Now I could remove the tags right now, but I'm actually using the tag so I can actually tell where the middle of the collar is at. I'm flashing it that way. I won't risk staining the shirt when actually lifting it up since this isn't the collar. And now let me do the final cure. Oh, there we go. See? Back. Medium. Now I can actually remove the tag. And there. No, I moved. So now, when I actually load the shirt, I'm going to remove the tag while it's in the pellet to avoid that problem again. We're telling this. There we go. Okay, now it's time to do the large size. So put the piece of fabric here, and all I'm going to do is just move the screen. Very simple. Yeah, this is was actually higher than expected. So I'm gonna remove my jig here. There we go. Do a test print. Looks good, even though this one has a lot more pinholes, but that's okay. It's just a neck label. Oh wait. Double check. This is actually small size, so luckily I cut that. And luckily it's only 2 shirts, so those pinholes won't be that big factor for me. And yes, this might look better with black ink, but just to avoid that, since it's a light garment, just to avoid the issue actually, you know, showing through here, I'll just stick to white. Anyway, no one's really gonna focus on this neck label. They're only gonna focus on the size, and that's it. Okay, so now we are gonna go to large size. I'm only pulling this, that way the screen, the mesh won't get stuck with the pallets, and it does have adhesive on here. Just a little pinhole right here. I'll cover that right now. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention, the mesh I'm using is actually a 305. Yeah, it's 120T. Yeah, 305. That way I won't put too much ink on here. So amigos, I'm finally done. Here's the final result, so you better look at it. See, it makes actually this look more legit, more professional. I thought it was gonna be a lot more difficult, but it's actually pretty simple. Just a one color, you know, 2 strokes maximum on this. That way you won't risk, you know, having it bleed through. And I cured with the heat gun because I knew it was a lot faster. It is small print, so there's no point, you know, using a flash, not even the heat press. So if you're just starting your brand and you want to add these neck labels, I recommend with the heat gun. I mean, it was pretty simple. I only did 20 shirts, and the good thing about it as well, since the neck label is very small, I was originally on this screen. It's actually a small wood screen. I was able to fit five sizes. Small, medium, large, extra large, extra large. I could have fit another one here, but I didn't make those ones since those were the only shirts I had. But probably later on, I'll probably have another screen where I will have all of them, all the sizes, and I'll just, you know, have that on the side, save it. That way, I want to, you know, whenever I start making more shirts, I'll just put the screen out and start printing. That one to, you know, go through the process, you know, exposing the screen all over again, all that. So probably just have one screen dedicated to this. This I would have it, but it just has some little pinholes, so I'll probably reclaim this and burn it all over again. But yeah, that's it. So again, hopefully it was helpful. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop in the comments below, or you know, send me a message on Facebook, Instagram, and I'll leave the link for the designs for the washing instructions. They have those little logos. There's all totally free. It has all of them. You know, I just choose the ones you need, and you can make it fit in your whatever your neck label is at. Like for me, I only copied the ones that actually were on the regular shirt, the regular hang tag. You know, I just saw those labels, and I just copied them. I just look for those ones and add it to my little neck design, and that's it. And oh yeah, put your logo, the size. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I don't know how to end these videos. I need to get better at ending these videos. But anyways, I'll see you guys on the next part.